What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series where we pick a Rustoleum color, we pick some awesome pearls, we spray them over top, and we see if we can't create cool new interesting colors to discuss. And we rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the best thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. Today I've got an exciting spray out for you guys. We got Rustoleum Gloss Black, which on its own, hey, it's pretty simple. But I've had a couple of subscribers actually ask to see certain pearls over top of Gloss Black. So today I thought, well, let me change it up. Usually I'm two-toning the fender with the Rustoleum color, and then I'm spraying one pearl over top. Today I'm flip-flopping it. Today we're doing Gloss Black Rustoleum and 2 different pearls, one on each side. I got Bronze Pearl, which was a subscriber request. Actually, a few of you guys requested it. And then I got Cherry Red, which was a really cool pearl from a couple videos back that everybody seemed to love. And I've had a couple people ask for red over black. So that's what we're going to do today, guys. We're going to spray our Rustoleum down first, and then we're going to split the pearls between things to clear and spray them out. Half Cherry Red, half Bronze. So I'm going to go ahead and lay the Rustoleum on this fender, and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got the old fender glossed out with some Rustoleum. I've got 2.5 ounces in each container of clear today. I've got my medium activator. This mix is 4 to 1. It's about 70 degrees out today, so I'm using the medium activator. If it's less than 60, I typically step it up to the fast activator. As far as pearl load and everything today goes, I'm going to go very, very moderate with it. I know in some of my past videos I've overloaded the crap out of it, and some of you guys have wanted to see more of a factory-ish pearl finish. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take just a pinch of each one of these pearls and put it in the clear coat. Mix it up real good, let you guys see it, and then spray it on the fender, and then we're going to take it outside in the sun and really see how these do. But I'm going to go ahead and start first with the Bronze, because that's probably the most requested right now. And I'm going to open it up. And like I said, I'm just doing a pinch, so I'm literally going to reach down on this bag with my hands, pinch a load off of it, and sprinkle it in there, guys, and that's it. So, as far as pigment load goes, about 1/8 ounce. But yeah, it don't take much. So I'm going to bring you guys in close and let you see it. Alright guys, so this is first up. Obviously, you probably remember this from a past video, but this is the Bronze. I just did a pinch. I didn't do a lot of pearl in it, and I'm going to fog it on there. We're not going super heavy today because I know you guys just want to see an effect. So I'm going to get my gun loaded up, and we'll start it off right with this Bronze. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so since the Bronze was obviously the more popular requested color for today, I'm going to start it off. And we're going to start it off over here on the right side. Now, there's a lot more area, so you'll get much more of an effect, and then I'm going to blend the Cherry Red on the other side into it. So always keep your pearls agitated in your gun, slosh them up a little bit, but not too much. You don't want everything shooting out the top. I'm using my V-Vor gun, 1.4 chip. I usually shoot at 28 PSI, wide open trigger. On my regulator, if you want to replicate my settings, I'm going to put my mask on, and we're going to fog this on and see if we can't get a cool effect. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I've hit the side with my first tack coat of the bronze. I'm going to hit it with one more light coat like I just did before, and then that's going to be it for it, guys. And then I'm going to seal everything with clear so you can see it really good when the sun hits it outside. So let's tack it up one more time, and then we'll move on to the cherry reds. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got our bronze down on it, and now it's time for a little bit of cherry. So I'm going to put this cherry in the mix real quick. I got my activator and everything already in the clear. I did all that off camera. So I'm going to take just a pinch of this cherry, I'm going to put it in this clear, and then I'll move you guys in close, and we're going to see what this cherry will do. So let's get into it. I really like this cherry. It's been a pretty cool color. A little bit more. Not like it's gonna matter because like I said, we're just doing dust coats. But anyways, all right. We get this stirred up real good and I'll bring you guys in close. All right guys, so this is the cherry red pearl. Kind of looks like fruit punch a little bit, right? But I guarantee you, it ain't gonna look like fruit punch when you put it on there. But anyways, guys, this is cherry red. Let's go ahead and load up the gun and let's dust coat this too. Then we'll seal it all with some clear and we'll take it outside. All right, guys, so as before, we're dust coating this just the same way as we did the bronze pearl. Nothing's gonna change, nothing different. So I'm putting my mask on and let's get into it. Obviously under little to no light, it just looks black, which is kind of the beauty of pearl, and just putting a little bit in it and stuff like that. But on this side we have cherry red. On this side we have bronze. If I had to name the colors, I'd say black cherry pearl would be a great name for this side of the fender. And for this side of the fender, well, my Subaru guys probably already know, Java Black Pearl. This is pretty much a dead ringer for it, guys, and all it took was just a pinch. So if you wanted to do a whole car with this stuff, one bag would probably be plenty. And man, it's beautiful, especially when that light hits it. So if you're looking for a black with a subtle twist when the light hits it, this is your pearls right here, guys. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. If you made it this far in the video and you like what I'm doing, please hit that subscribe button, drop me a like and comment, and rate it, guys. What do you think of these colors? 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. And there's no wrong answers because everybody has different opinions, and we're all learning every day. That's the beauty of Rustoleum Custom Mix. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. Like I said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.